Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that many aspiring content creators are curious about: how to make money with YouTube. Whether you're a vlogger, a gamer, a tutorial creator, or any other type of content creator, there are various strategies you can employ to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Setting up your channel for success. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, let's start by laying a strong foundation for your YouTube channel. Here are a few key steps to consider. 1. Choosing your niche. Define your target audience and identify the type of content that resonates with them. Research popular niches and find a unique angle to stand out from the competition. 2. Creating high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and video editing software. Focus on delivering value to your viewers through informative, entertaining, or inspiring content. 3. Optimizing your videos. Pay attention to video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Use eye-catching thumbnails and engaging video intros to grab viewers' attention. Segment 2. Monetization strategies. Host. Once you've established your channel, it's time to explore different monetization strategies. Let's discuss some popular methods content creators use to make money on YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. Enroll in the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel through ads. Understand how ad formats work, such as pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads. 2. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands that align with your channel's niche and audience. Negotiate fair sponsorship deals and maintain transparency with your viewers. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions. Recommend products you genuinely believe in and provide valuable insights. 4. Merchandise and products. Develop your own merchandise line or digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Leverage your loyal audience to generate sales and build a community around your brand. Segment 3. Building a strong community. Host. To maximize your revenue potential, it's crucial to build a loyal and engaged community. Here are a few tips to foster a strong bond with your audience. 1. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback from your audience. Conduct live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your viewers directly. 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with creators in your niche to create joint content or shoutouts. Collaborations can help you tap into new audiences and gain exposure. 3. Utilize social media. Promote your YouTube channel on other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Cross-promote your content and engage with your audience on these platforms. There you have it, our guide on how to make money with YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Experiment with different strategies, analyze your data, and adapt your approach based on your audience's preferences. Always prioritize creating valuable content that resonates with your viewers, and the money will follow. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also,
Double kill. First blood.